Hello, I am in my back office for my WordPress blog, and I'm just making this video to show you a wonderful plugin for WordPress. It's Thrive Themes, and it's really a one-stop shop for all your list building needs. If you're building an opt-in page, if you're building, capture pages and things like that, for $19 a month, I will say it's worth it. I fought against this tool because I said, you know what, I can do it on my own. I can bootstrap it and do it for cheap. And yes, you can, but you have to piece so many things together. Thrive Themes makes it so easy and compatible to build these landing pages, these lead pages. I'll just show you a simple one that I have for this website. It's a capture page, a free ebook giveaway. Very, very simple, but effective, right? And you can build these with drag and drop. You do not have to know coding or HTML or anything like that when it comes to building these landing pages. And also, if you have that blog, with this $19 a month, you get Thrive Leads as well. So Thrive Architect is a plugin, as well as Thrive Leads with this, Thrive Optimize. And this is just scratching the surface. You have Thrive Apprentice. You have so many other tools with this $19 a month, which makes it worthwhile. In my opinion, Thrive Leads and Architect alone is well worth the money. So when you have a blog dealing with Thrive Leads here, you can create lead groups and add new lead groups. And once you're building that blog in the back office, I'll tell you what, let's just click right into it. Let's go to a page here. Let's go to all pages. And I have some pages already set up. Okay, so let's just go to our front page. Let's go to the front page. Once we click on it, we want to launch with Thrive Architect. So we'll get the dashboard of where all the building takes place. And let it load up there for a second. Loading. Okay, so here is that capture page that I showed you earlier. And this just shows how easy it is to change things around. Now, I'm not going to change things around because this is an active capture page that I'm actually using right now. So I'm not going to change it, but I'm going to click on it and show you how easy it is for you to change these words and things like that, lettering. You just click on the box. Same for this box here where I'm at right here, simply confirm. You just go in, add your text, and what you like. You can change the colors in here. At the top, you see this panel here you can change. You can also link websites to a certain, link them to a different website. So it's really drag and drop, very newbie friendly. Also, right here, page setup, you could change your template of the way your landing page looks. You can have a totally different design. Really, this is an all-in-one website building tool, really. It changes templates from, you can have one-page websites as well. So I'm not going to change anything about this landing page, but that just gives you an idea. It's just scratching the surface on a lot of things you could do with Thrive Themes. And if you want to build that email list, what I recommend is just going to Thrive Themes here. And I'll put a link in the description of this video. And I am an affiliate of Thrive Themes because I wholeheartedly believe in it. And again, a lot of plugins out there are free and they do a decent job. But if you're looking for some great support from a company who has helped my business tremendously, I definitely and highly recommend Thrive Themes. As I mentioned, it's conversion focused plugin to get you those highly converting landing pages, opt-in pages to build that email list. And if you click on this link here, check out all the tools and plugins that they have. As I mentioned, just scratching the surface. I wasn't kidding, guys. Look at all these things they offer. Just read some of the things they offer. You definitely get your money's worth with Thrive Themes. Thrive Ovation. Get rich, detailed, and persuasive testimonials. Thrive Ultimatum. Thrive Ultimatum is the perfect scarcity marketing tool for website, increasing your conversions by adding countdown timers. Run complex evergreen scarcity campaigns, and much, much more. So it's really overwhelming to look at all these things that they have, but take a moment to just research for yourself all the wonderful tools that comes with Thrive Themes, and you will not be disappointed. So I highly recommend it. If you're looking to build that list, give Thrive Themes a try.